Hello world, it is me tuning in from 2022, and today's video we will be focusing on emo girl eyeliner. I never knew how to do eyeliner for my eyes, but I always see those hacks where you do one line up and then you connect it to your inner fold of your eye. Do you see how cool that looks? I think I have a hooded eye, so I need impact on the corners of my eyes the most. So if you have trouble with liner, I recommend going really thick on the ends, because when you look straight, it ends up just looking like a smoky eye. I'm inspired by all the alternative alt boys and alt girls of the new TikTok generation. I think I was afraid to do eye makeup or eyeliner in my younger ages because that would be seeming too feminine, right? And the gay guy who wears makeup has to be approachable, and it can't be too much. Like, you can wear makeup as a guy, but you can't be prettier or cooler than the girls. That was like an invisible energy that I've noticed that I was still playing in. But once you just slap on too much eyeliner on your eye, it feels cool and it feels new. And I think that plays to females too. Females, I've noticed, are afraid of doing too much makeup or too much in general. But that's what goth is about. It's about doing the opposite. It's about doing too much. It's about going crazy and looking ugly. So I recommend you to try this goth and emo inspired eyeliner. Bye-bye.